In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete automations in HoneyBook Automation Cleanup 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove outdated workflows so your account stays organized and efficient. Start by opening your browser and going to honeybook.com. Sign into your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for any security verification, complete it so you can proceed safely into your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base, showing recent activity and quick access to different parts of your account. Now look to the left side of the screen. That vertical bar is your main navigation. You'll find links to areas like projects, templates, and, for today's task, automations. Click Automations. This will open your automations library, where all your workflows are listed. Here, you'll typically see the automation name and its current status, which helps you quickly determine what's active and what's not. Take a moment to review your list. Identify which automations you still use and want to keep. This quick audit is helpful so you only remove what's truly unnecessary, like outdated onboarding flows, duplicate sequences, or tests you no longer need. When you're ready to delete one, find it in the list and move your cursor to the end of that row. Click the three-dot icon to open the menu, then select Delete. HoneyBook will show a confirmation window that says Delete Automation. It will also remind you that this action permanently deletes the automation, including past and active runs. Read that message carefully. Deleting is final, and it can stop any scheduled emails or actions tied to that automation. If you're sure, click Delete to confirm. If you're uncertain, you can cancel and review the automation details first, so you don't remove something you still rely on. Repeat the same process for any other automations you want to clean up. Open the menu, choose Delete, and confirm. Moving methodically through your list helps prevent mistakes and keeps your setup tidy. A quick tip as you go: consider jotting down the names of automations you keep, or take a screenshot of key settings before removing similar ones. That small bit of documentation can save time if you decide to rebuild or refine a workflow later. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to automations, reviewed your list, and permanently deleted the items you no longer need. Enjoy your cleaner HoneyBook account and a streamlined automation library, ready for the workflows that actually serve your business today.